All teachers using ReadToMe solutions in class or online must download the ReadToMe Teacher Dashboard Android app. To download and install the app, go to Google Play Store and search for ReadToMe Teacher Dashboard. Click on the Install button and wait for the installation to complete. Open the app and complete the sign up process. Before you sign up, please note, if you have already registered on ReadToMe Student Edition or English Polo or readtome.englishhelper.com, then please click on Login and use the same login credentials as before. To sign up, enter your full name, email, password, and your phone number. Now click on Submit. On this page, please enter your school UDICE code and click on Submit. Please enter the correct UDICE code of your school. This cannot be changed later. Check your school details and then click on Confirm. You have now signed up successfully. This is your ReadToMe Teacher Dashboard. On your dashboard, you have access to ReadToMe School Edition, the Training Center, and multiple special programs like English Polo that can help you improve your own English skills. How to use ReadToMe in the classroom. To take a ReadToMe class, click on ReadToMe School Edition. Here you see many options. If you have access to regular internet connection on your device and would like to use ReadToMe online, click on Online. Read the instructions on this page and click on Launch ReadToMe. Now select the chapter you want to teach in class.